I think it's a good development. I wish that an all-party delegation can visit there. Still better, we should have a JPC to inquire into these issues. That gives you confidence to the people that people care, that this country care, kind of thing. But the judiciary is responding to this crisis. I welcome that one. And I hope that not only the visit, they should also do a proper committee to investigate what's going on, because there could be cosmetic changes because the judges are visiting there, because that I have seen it. When I've been visiting these camps, and when I ask questions in the parliament, the kind of answer I get, what is there in the paper and what is on the ground is quite different. So, my only suspicion is that the judges are going there, so they might do cosmetic changes here and there. So I think Supreme Court should, not only judges visiting that, they should also ensure that they have a committee to look into all the details and have a conversation with the local CSOs and stakeholders, more than a formal visit. But I think the visit in itself tells you that the judiciary cares for the suffering people of it, which I think our parliament should also be responding in a similar fashion. That's my expectation.
Yesterday also, your party leader Jairam Ramesh has said that it's a slap on the political system of the Manipur and the current government. Judiciary is now getting active, because earlier they had said that the machinery has collapsed, and now they are taking this initiative. They are going, but no political solution has been done in the state so far.
No, see, part of the story, what I'm saying is that there is a sense of complete abandonment by the Indian state. That's the people, as if we're not part of this country, our suffering don't matter, kind of thing. So in that sense, one of the pillar of our country, the judiciary, is responding to the highest court. Remember that it is Supreme Court who have first announced 2 months after the crisis started that the constitutional machinery has collapsed in this state. There is absolutely no law and order. So judiciary was more forthcoming in terms of assessing the situations. And I'm glad that they're visiting it. And the only thing is that the government or the parliament should also respond in a similar fashions. At least for the time being, I think all party delegations going there, it should be a beginning. But ultimate aim is to form a joint parliamentary committee to fix accountability, because in history, this will mark. After partition of 1947, the scale in which this kind of thing, lawlessness, has been allowed, the manner in which constitutional machinery has been subverted, and the manner in which the government has responded left us dumbfounded at one level. Initially, I was deeply hurt and offended. And I also began to sense why the government has responded in this. But thankfully, the opposition has been making sure that the issue has not been put under the carpet. We have been saying it. So I think let's see. The Parliament should also respond exactly the way Supreme Court has responded. Thank you so much.